welcome everybody. This is Dan here over at 2D2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, today I've got in front of me here, this is the PowerSmart, the DV86215. Now, with this particular unit, this is a 3-in-1 lawnmower that is self-propelled, meaning that you have 170 cc of raw power that's going to be able to cut your needs. We're going to dive right in, get this thing unboxed, set up, installed, and run it. Nice. I like that bag. Talk about a blade. That thing looks pretty legit. Now, just to show you guys, with the 21-inch blade that is designed to cut on this thing, we've got as a 301. So as it sits right now for the mulch, we've also got the mulch propelled blower, like that there. Pretty simple, easy to use. It's literally just lift up, locks in place. And lastly, we got our bag. Oh, that is sweet. Let's get some fuel put in it. Now, for first time use, or for that matter, storing and getting ready to use, that primer button right here, we're going to press this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to give it one more for luck because it's first use. Now we're going to start it. So now that we're ready to start up, 2 things I want to point out here. Top lever engages your motor. This guy right here. This bottom lever, that activates your drive wheels. So let's go ahead and fire it up. I would say this thing is going to move out pretty darn quick. Let's go ahead and put it to the grass.
The PowerSmart is equipped with a self-propelled rear-wheel drive system, great for all sorts of terrain. That includes traction for inclines, slopes, and is suitable for uneven terrain, with a single speed between 3.9 and 4.2 kilometers per hour. With its 170 cc overhead valve 4-cylinder engine, equipped with a recoil start and auto choke, it is designed to deliver more power for improved cutting efficiency and easy starting. With a rugged 21-inch all-steel deck, this is built to last. And it has a 21-inch superior mulching blade that helps finish mowing faster.